When we try to make our economy more circular and resource efficient, the answers to why and how materials flow become crucial. So what does the focus on the why and how of material flows provide us with? Well, it allows us to do two important things. First, it allows us to better understand the social circumstances related to the material flows, to reconnect materials with their human coordination and control mechanisms. In short, it helps us to explore the decision-making processes behind materials entering and circulating in our economies. And secondly, the focus on the why and how of material flows enables us to see value for what it is, a moving target. Value arises not only from the physical attributes of a material, but importantly, from the perspective of different actors, for example, buyers and suppliers, who negotiate their values between themselves. They negotiate within a bigger context of a system of actors at different scales, for instance at local, regional, national, and global level, all of which influence how the value of a material is constructed.